Alright, this is a video of me upgrading my RAM on my computer. Currently it's 2 gigs. I'll be upgrading to 16 gigs by TimeTech. Got this off of Amazon. It was around, after shipping and tax, it was around 40 bucks. Okay, as you can see, I'm removing, let's see, we got 2 gigabytes. Slot, that's the factory. 2 gigabytes, 2R times 8. It's the original one. And I'll be replacing with the TimeTech. Let's see. I may need that part number. Alright. Blow it out with a little air here. You can see the comparison to the old one. That's one at 8 gigabyte slot compared to 2 gigabytes. Alright, this one in. It's the second one. Alright, you snap the retaining clips at the top. Alright, and then at the bottom. Alright, so let's top this snap. Top on it a little. Here we go. Alright, so everything snapped in. Alright. Pause the video, take another video for reboot. As you can see, it's powering up. I didn't have a before video. But it's powering up a lot faster than normal. So that's there it goes, powered up, and it's ready to go. This is the old 2 GB RAM. That's RAM replacement. I replaced it with the TimeTech. As you can see there, TimeTech premium memory. This is it's $40 after taxes and shipping. That's 16 GB kit, 2 times 8 GB, and that comes out to around $40. I'll link the part number in the description. Thanks for watching.